Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota. And I'm just coming down to my grow room to check on everything and give my ladies a little spray down. Where's my, just gonna use a little spray. Got new homes for all the girls today, and but hey, I'm going to turn you around and show you how everything is progressing in here. And all right, here we go. Turn you around. All right, got all the little banana trees down here. Oh, I hate these little gnats. I gotta get rid of these gnats on here. Hate them. Because once they start, it's so hard to get rid of them. But here we got some Purple Queen right here and Royal Cheese. Purple Queen, Royal Cheese, Critical. And then this one is also Purple Queen. So 3 Purple Queens, 3 Royal Cheese, and 1 Critical. And they're all going in these bags right here today. So they'll look just like these ones. And then I am lining this area with this chrome foil. I'm lining this wall, and basically it's all going to be one big mirror, and I'm going to hang a curtain in front of this, and I got a automatic watering system I'll be hooking up to these plants, and obviously the lights are all on timers, so it's going to be about as hands off as possible, so we will see what happens. But here we got tomatoes, yellow pears, Roma, and black cherry. Then over there we have black Hungarian peppers, we got poblano peppers, and we got California Wonder, which is similar to a green pepper, just a little long. And these I'm sprouting for next season. There's in here we got raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, elderberry, mulberry, and some dwarf cherry trees. So I'm just trying to sprout these and then put them in bigger pots next spring, because eventually I want to have a nursery of trees, and got to start somewhere. And here, this is 3 days old, or actually 4. I put these in Sunday, and everything is just about propagated and sprouted. We got the red romaine lettuce, and then we have green romaine. What else is in here? I got spinach in here. I got a regular iceberg lettuce in here, I think. Maybe not. And then some basil and marjoram. And it's just all basically herbs. They're so easy to grow, and I use them a lot when I cook, so just convenient. I can just come down here. And I think I showed you the banana trees. There's the big banana, and then citronella. These are from outside this summer. And then we got pepper, and if you can see, it's starting to fruit again. We got these, yeah, it's flowering and I'm gonna start fruiting, and this one up here is starting to flower again also, so we're gonna have more peppers. And then I have some tomato plants out in my garage. They're about 4.5 feet, 5 feet tall, that still have tomatoes growing on them, so they're fine out in the garage by themselves and nothing. Yeah, they're just doing great. And then upstairs I have lemons, lemon tree, lime tree, actually 2 lime trees, a pomegranate tree, an olive tree, 3 fig trees, and the other night I got to eat some figs off of it, and they were amazing. Same with, I picked a lemon off my lemon tree the other night and put it in my water bottle, and better tasting than any lemon you're going to get at a store. I mean, you can really taste the difference. Yeah, that's about it, and that's what we got for progress here. Just want to keep it short, but this is how easy this stuff is to do. I mean, come down here and water it. These are all automated, obviously. It's on a time. The lights are on a timer, and the water is, yeah. And let me loosen that one up a little bit. There we go. And it's just on a steady drip. And I'm about to start trellising these tomatoes so I can train them to go straight up. Same with these. So that's gonna be my next project for these. Once I get all the cannabis in these bags, then I'm gonna trellis the tomato and raise the lights up for those. But yeah, it's just a work in progress, and it's kind of fun watching all these grow from seed. You know, everything in here I have grown from seed since the beginning of spring, except for the banana. When I first got it in the mail, it was about a 4-inch banana tree. So basically about this big, right here. And then I probably had about 40 different banana trees come from that one mother. You know, so yeah, because I just keep growing, just put them in new pots and let them go. But that's that. You want a system set up in your home to grow, give me a shout. We can design a system. I can not only get these bucket systems with all the nutrients, with all the water testing, the 6 buckets, everything, and you can buy them right off my website, and you can either pick them up at my location or I can deliver them to you. And I also have a setup service if you want one of these set up for you, because obviously all these hoses, everything needs to be cut and then lined up, and some people will get frustrated trying to put these hoses together because sometimes they don't always go into the holes. Like, sometimes you got to fight with them. But if you have the right tools, it makes it very, very simple. So, and I happen to have that, so these are really easy to set up. So that's that. We can do these types of systems. We do bag systems. You know, you can grow anything in soil. We got weed growing. I might try 6 more buckets and grow weed in pebbles and see how that works, and do hydroponics and see what happens there. And that'd be cool, but I'll set that up later. I got too much other stuff to do. But anyway, have an amazing day, my friends. Visit me at Travis, or send me an email, Travis at foodforceabundance.com, or visit foodforceabundancemn.com, and you can hit my contact form on there, or hit me on social media. I got Food Force Abundance Minnesota on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, on Nextdoor, where else? Twitter. I think that might be it. But LinkedIn. You'll see me on LinkedIn too, but that's my personal, just Travis Holzem. So that's that. And also, I have started a Give, Send, Go campaign on GiveSendGo.com. And you can visit my website, and my latest blog post is I'm trying to raise money to turn wasted space and food deserts, transforming them into self-sustaining, regenerative, food-producing spaces. And that's going to provide food security for everybody in the neighborhoods, in the inner cities where there's no nutritious food. The grocery stores are far away, and all the convenience stores have crap food. All the bodegas, they're nothing but processed foods. So this will have fresh, nutrient-dense food growing in every neighborhood. And everybody involved helps. The community gets involved, but everybody will have access to fresh, nutritious, locally grown food. And I am trying to raise money to get another truck and a trailer, and also a lot more stuff goes involved too, and got to acquire some land here to get a nursery started. So, well, first things first, I'm trying to look for some philanthropists who would love to make a legacy for themselves and put food for us everywhere. But give me a call. I'm looking for entrepreneurs, anybody. If you millionaire, billionaire, I don't care. I'd like to work with you, and let's get access to fresh, healthy, nutritious food for everybody. And each one of these sites will be a demonstration for everybody to show how easy it is to solve some of the world's biggest problems. Grow food, not lawns, my friends. Have an amazing day. See ya.